Catherine Bernardo update. And IB Day ni Catherine. Ang ganda ni Catherine, oh. Ito yung video. Catherine Bernardo, IB Day. May session si Catherine sa IB Clinic. And IB Vampire Patient. Ang putis artista. Isang Catherine Bernardo, yun, oh. Relax yan. At tapos na ang kanyang session. IB Day. And na-mention pa nga si Catherine ni Mr. M bilang superstars. Ito yung video.
What is a star? Ano ba yung star? Star is someone who can capture your imagination, drive you crazy, and who can separate your well-earned money from you. Yeah, that's a star. Pag hindi ka, pag babayad ka, star. A star dictates how much you pay, and pay you will. Cat Bernardo.
You know. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Angstrom Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.